Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create brick corner storage in Heartopia. So right now, Heartopia has a new event that called Modular Street, and at this event you can create any special furniture. One of them is brick corner storage like this. And to create this furniture, you need the recipe first. You can just unlock the recipe from the Battle Pass rewards that you can unlock it when you reach level 17 like this. So make sure you already reach this level, and then after you get the recipe, just go to your workbench and then tap on craft and just find the recipe, brick corner storage recipe like this. And then in here you need the stone, quality timber, and then modular brick material pack. So just complete all the materials, and then after that just adjust the amount that you want to create, and then just tap on craft and tap on hold to continue like this. And just like that, you will successfully create brick corner storage like this. It's so cool. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.